Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy package. And this is for the month of January. So yeah, we're going to unbox it together. I'm currently eating some roasted plates. Oh yeah. Unbox it with me. So far, I see some really good products, and like this one, we have the signature palette locks. I'm gonna show you guys what is inside later. Second one, we have the Liss Beauty mascara. Oh my god, period. Wait, look at this. Ah, cute. Thirdly, we have this, and everything here is like pink, and you guys know I love my pink. I'm literally wearing pink right now. And we have the Lucious hand cream by Refreshments. Tell me this isn't cute. Then we have the Crisp Cut Crush lip gloss, pink too. Oh my god, shut up right now. Look at this, how cute it is. So next I have the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. And for last but not the least, I have the Wing Me the brush set, which I love so much currently. So I'm gonna just start opening them for you guys to see. And that's all the products. And you have 5 products in total. Hold on. Look how cute these are. Like, and they're transparent. Shut up right now. Look at this. These are so cute. Okay, I love them. Then we have the Lucious hand cream. I don't know if you guys can read it, but there it is. I want to see if it smells good. I can't smell it. It's sealed. And then we have this might be my favorite product yet that I ever got from Ipsy. I know it's just lip gloss, but like it's lip gloss. I can never do without my lip gloss. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, hold on. It's clear. Oh, love it. These are so perfect for like the Mean Girls movie. I'm gonna watch the Mean Girls movie. Ah! Look at these. It's the pink and the clear one. I love this. Secondly, we have the signature palette looks. I love how every of the product that I got this month are like pink. It's giving cute. Okay. So next is the signature palette look. Okay, this is like a cute packaging. I love it. Ooh, highlight, contour, everything. Okay, so the 4 on the sides are like regular eyeshadow, and then this one in the middle is the highlighter. Look how cute this is. Oh, love it. Next we have the Liss, I don't know how to pronounce it, the brand's name, Beauty. This is the mascara. Okay, so for my December, like last year's product, I also got a Liss or Lies product, and I got the contour. But when it came, it was broken. So I was so sad. And they always have the same packaging. Look how cute this is. Oh my god. Ah! Love it. The packaging is everything. Now with this packaging, I'm for sure gonna do like a UGC content. So if you guys want to see like a behind the scenes on how I do that, just let me know and I will film it. So next, it's the Laura Mercier eye color stick. Let's see it. Oh, pretty. Do you see that color? Oh my god, yes. If you want a little bit of like glow to your eyes. You guys see that? That is beautiful. You guys, this is how good the eyeshadow stick is. Just that little that I put, and look how like glowy. Like, it's so good. I love it. My favorite eyeshadow stick that I've ever gotten. And that's all the products that I have here. And to be honest, I can't even pick a favorite. Everything is so good, but I do really love the lip gloss. Like, these are so cute. How can you see this and not like fall for them? First, they're pink. It's given that that trend where you show all your pink products and be like, I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in a world. That's all I'll ever be. That's what it's giving. Like, I got all pink products. Ugh. Please shut up right now. I love them. I love it. So stay tuned for my UGC product videos that I will be posting on my IG, which is going to be like right here. So go follow that if you want to see my UGC content. And let me know if you guys want to see like a behind the scenes or a shoot with me UGC content. And yeah, that is it. I just love this brush so much. Sit on your eyes. Ugh. Kisses. Anyways, that is it. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you guys. Bye.